Hello guys, here's Jimmy. Today we're going to talk about the lightweight plus wheel spacer and active coating wheel spacer. And the car is Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. And the detail about this one. Well, it's tandem bolt from Bonoss company. It's 12.9 grade. And I will give a detailed information about it. Let's see it. First, we need to prepare the tools that we need. A torque wrench, brake cleaner, sandpaper, and this assembly route. And of course, we need to prepare something special, vernier clipper, to measure the gap. And of course, this is the active coating wheel spacer from Bonoss company. And this one is the lightweight plus wheel spacer. We can see the difference. And of course, our protagonist. Well, it's tandem 12.9 bolt. And now, let's install it. And we can see this is 12 over 20 mm, so we choose the 25 mm wheel spacer to install on the wheel. And we can see the data is about 50, so we will install 50 mm wheel spacer on the front. This one is the original wheel bolt, and this one is the Bonoss grade 12.9 bolt, and this one is also the grade 12.9 is tandem bolt, but it is different. Can you find the difference between them? We can see the original wheel bolt adopt the ball seat, and this one also uses ball seat, but this one is conical seat. It is fit for another one car. And the Bonoss company is tandem bolt use a gasket to eliminate the gap between the valve and the bolt to make sure it is safety. And also you can choose different colors. And we can find this one, why we called this one is tandem one, because it need to fit for the wheel spacer length. Without that, we can find the Bonoss company also have the logo in the back of the tandem bolt blocks, and also have the number 12.9. This one is the original one, and this one is the tandem one from the Bonoss company. And we can see it will be longer to fit for the wheel spacer. While you install the wheel spacer on the wheel, and you can find it will extend it to fit for the wheel assembly. If you like our video, please make sure to thumbs up and give us a subscribe. Shit, it's raining. Hey guys, today we are going to introduce the, let's see, ooh.